Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, today we are going to make some decorative kind of room decor. I told you guys for the last couple of weeks I have been reorganizing my side of the room and trying to make it look a little neater, a little bit more girly. So I'm just utilizing some Dollar Tree items and some other stuff that I had at home to make my side of the room look more appealing. And before we get into the video, for those of you who are not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Hit the like button, turn your bell notifications on so you get notified every time I upload. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. And if you would like to follow my vlog channel, the link to that is in the description. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to show you, I've already taken the plastic off. So I'm going to show you how we are going to decorate this and the steps you need to take to get this out of here to make it look how you want. First, we're going to take off the back. Just pull this off like that, set it aside. I had these in downstairs in my office where all my jewelry making supplies and stuff are. So you kind of gently want to take all this hardware off the back because you don't need it. And we're going to take the hooks off as well. Now the best way, because these these picture frames came from the dollar store, so they're not as sturdy as regular picture frames. So to get these out, what I do is pull and twist. That way it doesn't break this the frame. Some of them are easy to get out, some of them you have to tug on for a little bit, but just make sure you're being very careful as not to break the integrity of the frame. So now that all of that is out, I'm going to set that aside for now. Take the glass, keep the cardboard. So what I'm going to do is put a piece of contact paper down on this. I'm using that marbleized looking contact paper that I've been using for all of my other projects. So I've already cut these, and what I just basically did was set a mirror on top of the contact paper and just cut around it. So it's probably not going to be super even, but it's going to be good enough for me. So this is always the hard part. I am going to start from the top and then go down. I tried it once doing it on the sides, and it just was a little bit too difficult, and all the bubbles and everything was in there. So I just found it better to go from the top and smooth it as I'm going down. So I'm going to try to line this up as much as possible. Try not getting too many bubbles. And just kind of smooth it as you're taking the paper off. If you're fine, you're getting bubbles, just kind of lift back up and then smooth over again. So I just want to take this really quick and see how it fits. So I have the contact paper on all 3 pieces of glass. Now we are going to decorate the frames and then put these back in and put the whole thing together. So let's get into it. Okay, so for this one here, I'm just going to add a little bit more decoration to it. So I'm going to use these beads that I showed you. It came on a strand, so I'm just going to leave them on the strand and just hot glue them down. Just in the center divot, because it just needs more decoration to me. So this is what it looks like. Pretty. This is going to be the bottom part of our little rack thing. Okay, so now that we have finished our frames, I put the glass back in with the contact paper on it, and I put the back on. I just hot glued those. And then this, I added these, as you can tell. So this is going to be our bottom piece. And right now, I don't think I want to decorate these anymore. So I'm just going to leave them like this and start putting them together. So I need my hot glue gun and some duct tape. This is the only duct tape I have in the house, so this is just going to have to work. And you're going to need some command strips if you're going to be putting this on your wall. It is all done, and this is what it looks like. Like I said, you can leave this on your desk or you can hang it on your wall. And I put it like this even though it's off here, it doesn't go all the way down, but I did this just in case you want to put it in like the corner part of your wall. It could be like a wall shelf, or you could put it on your desk and just make it kind of like a desk decoration. You can decorate this a little bit more if you want, as well as the bottom, but I kind of like it the way it is. This project was really cheap. Like I said, I already had these beads and I can't tell you where I got them from, but I got them from a supply store online, but I just don't remember which one. The mesh rhinestone I got from Wish. The contact paper I already had at home, but I did get it from Target or like Meijer. I can't remember which one, but I got the contact paper there and it was pretty cheap. And the picture frames came from the dollar store. So I hope you like this video. If you have any suggestions for me or anything you see that I could have done differently, just let me know. If in fact you do make any of my projects, tag me in your pictures that you put online, or just send me a photo so I can see what you did and how you took my tutorial and made it your own. As I always say, if you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you're following me on Instagram, because I post updates and other things that I don't post on YouTube on Instagram as well. Make sure that you guys check out the links down below. I have my vlog channel, my movie review channel, and soon to be my husband's podcast channel will be down there. So make sure you check out the links in the description. Also, guys, I have something I want to share with you. I will probably do like a bonus day and put it up like tomorrow or Saturday. So look forward to that, and I'll see you next time. Bye.